Nissan has continued to invest heavily into its Sunderland factory in the UK as it ramps up to begin production of the all-new Leaf electric vehicle, as well as next-generation and fully electrified versions of the Juke and Qashqai SUVs. With its 3 million square meters and 7,000 employees, Sunderland produces around 300,000 cars a year. A special feature of the Sunderland plant is its vocation for the circular economy. Waste steel and aluminium, plastic, paint, or wood are in fact fed into a virtuous circuit that allows them to be reused. In addition, the plant also houses 2 photovoltaic parks, producing a total of 25 megawatts and 7 megawatt wind turbines. Together, they provide 20% of the energy needed to run the plant. Production of the cars starts at the battery pack assembly point, 2-module for the Juke and 4-module for the Qashqai. This is where 73 workers take about 40 minutes to make the entire accumulator. Then there is the molding department, which hosts a major innovation. In fact, the new Nissan Qashqai is the first car in the plant's history to have some aluminium panels used in combination with steel ones. This innovation saves about 60 kilograms in weight, which is good for efficiency and fuel consumption. The skeleton of the new Qashqai car takes shape in the body shop, the 54,000 square meter department where body parts are assembled. There are about 1,000 robots taking care of this stage. The body then moves on to the paint shop. Here, too, Sunderland boasts state-of-the-art technology, both because it relies on an innovative nozzle and color tank washing system, and can paint cars in any color without pausing in the process. The Qashqai cars then proceed to the line to receive interior trim, seats, windows, and, of course, all mechanical parts. There are 1,477 workers in charge of assembling the interior and the marriage between body and powertrain.